ensuring that agriculture investment takes place, ensuring that there is investment in water, energy, education, and health.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ulila ngemali ephuma ezipini ukube kanti kunezinto eziqhathekile kwabantu abazihlokako empilweni.
We received 20 remains of our loved ones, 6 after being assessed by our forensic pathologists, they were identifiable.
Bekumathuo nenyembezi imndeni yabantu ababhubhele engozini yendlela eMusini eLimpopo ngoMvulo nayo kukhomba indumbu zamalunga wemndeni esibhedlela seChilidzi. Zihlanganiselwe etafuleni yendaba zesiNdebele kwa SABC ziza kuwe sachisa lotshani emakhaya. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi kusisenzo esibi khulu emazweni wangaphetsheya kwamalwandle bona angasebenzisa imali eningi ezipini kodwana ukube ayabhalelwa kusekela imizamo yokunikela ngensiza eziqhathekileko zamabhiliyoni ngamabhiliyoni wabantu bephasi. Lekulumo umengameli uyiveze ngestatement esiya emhlanganweni yentsha ezibumbeneko eNew York. Ekulumeni ayithulileko ekhuluma ngendaba zetuthuko ukuchuguluka kobujamo bezulu namachuguluko wepolitiki. Umengameli uRamaphosa uveze ihlelo lezokuthula leAfrika eUkraine ngeva kwemizuzwana abambe umhlangano nomengameli uVolodymyr Zelensky.
Ngemva komhlangano nomengameli weUkraine umengameli uRamaphosa ubawe amazwe wangaphetsheya ukuthi enze ngakho kokusemandleni ukusebenzisana begodu abalekele zonke indlela zokukhwezela imibango.
It is these principles that inform South Africa's participation in the African Peace Initiative, which seeks a peaceful resolution of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. In this conflict, as in all conflicts, we have insisted that the UN Charter's principle of respect for the territorial integrity of every country should be upheld.
Nakusenjalo umengameli uyelelise ngendaba yokungalingani umthako kunye nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi. Wathi konke lokhu ngikho kudosisa iphasi nzima kakhulu. Wabawa isekelo lokuletha imizamo yokulwisana nomraro wenkwelete ekubalwa hlangana amachuguluko ngehlangothini lokuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu.
We are required to focus on targeted investment, on technology transfer, capacity building support, especially in key areas such as supporting industrialization, building infrastructure, ensuring that agriculture investment takes place, ensuring that there is investment in water, energy, education, and health.
uRamaphosa ubawe ukuthi ikhulume izwakale eAfrika ngani namaze ancange seula aqiniswe ngokubambisana ekubalwa hlangana nehlangano yentsha bezibumbeneko. uRamaphosa ubuye wabawa ukuthi kuqalelwe indaba yehlangothi elilodwa lokutswinywa phakathi kweCuba neZimbabwe ngemizamo yokuletha ukuthula phakathi kweIsrael nePalestine kunye namalungelo obuntu wabantu beWestern Sahara kunye nemisebenzi yabo.
Izazi zithi kubudise ebantwini abahlala emadrobheni ngombana abakhoni ukulima ngenxa yokuhlogeka kwendawo. Izazi zibawe uhulumende bona angaqali khulu indawo zemakhaya kodwana abekele nendawo ezisemadrobheni. Bathi imndeni eminingi ayisakhona ukuthenga ukudla ngomraro ukukhuphuka kakhulu kwenengojuguluko nokungasebenzi.
Izazi zithi pheze imindeni emaphesente amachumi amabili enganakudla. Zithi ukusahlela kwe-COVID-19 kunye nokukhuphuka kakhulu kwenengojuguluko kwenze bona imndeni eminingi ibhalele ukuthenga ukudla okunezakhamzimba nayithenga igrocery.
We are in a food crisis. Half the population simply cannot afford a healthy, balanced diet. Close to 1 in 4 children are stunted by the age of 5, so will never reach their full potential. That's a human tragedy for those affected, and it's a crisis for a nation. Much more must be done to address this.
Abantu abaningi abahlala emalokishini bathi abasaye entolo ezikulu bayokuthenga. Sebathenga entolo zemakhaya ngombana zona zichiphile.
I don't have to go to town to buy some vegetables. I just find them here and buy. So, and their vegetables are very fresh.
I normally benefit because their prices are low, very, very, very low. Even if you have 20 rand, 10 rand, you can able to afford their products.
Nakusenjalo, abanye abathengisako bavumelana nenkulumo enjalo. Kanti abanye bathi amabhizinisi abo abethekile ngombana abantu abaningi abasasebenzi baphelelwe imisebenzi.
It's the truth. People are moving away from retail shops to come to support the small vendors so that they could get better prices, because what we're supplying is better prices for each and everyone to get the food to feed their families.
Izazi zikholwa bona ukuhloka kwendawo zokutshala emadrobheni kwenza bona kube budisi ukulungisa umraro lo ukudla endaweni zemadrobheni ngombana abantu abasakhona ukutshala.
The potential of urban agriculture is very much undermined by security of tenure and access to land, and most urban farmers simply have too small a piece of land to make any big difference to urban food demand and supply.
Most of the people in big cities like Johannesburg and Pretoria, they spend 50 to 60% of their monthly income on paying things like rent, electricity and other bills, which also exacerbate food insecurity.
Njengombana abantu abaningi sebafudukele endaweni zemadrobheni nje, kuzokufuneka bona uhulumende ezinamahlela zokwandisa ukudla endaweni zemadrobheni.
Zisithalathu kaphela ke zimachumi indumbe ezikhonjiweko zabantu ababhubhe na ukuchayisana itraga nebhesi eMusina eLimpopo ngosono. Indumbu bezifaniswa malunga wemndeni esibhedlela seChilisi eThoyando.
Buhlungu obuhlabe ehlizweni obuziwa mindeni le. Abajameli bakwa De Beers nebomnyango wezempilo eLimpopo kunye nebezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi bezile nabo bazokulilisana nemindeni ebhujelweko. Ezinye indumbe ezili-14 eziche zangaba nobono zisiwe esibhedlela sePietersburg ePulukwane.
We received 20 remains of our loved ones, and out of those 20, 6 after being assessed by our forensic pathologists who were here from Polokwane, they could find that they were identifiable. That is why they immediately started with the post-mortem, and the bodies will be ready for collection by the families.
Nanyana emayini De Beers Vinesha beyivaliwe ngomvulo kodwana nje sothomile umsebenzi. Ababhubhileko basebenze bebasebenza ngaphasi kweMarian Roberts.
Our employees are getting back to work. We understand that it's going to be a process, so we are making sure that we follow proper processes to ensure that we return operations back safely.
Indoda ebhujelwe indodana ithi ngathana kubhubhe yona kwasala indodanayo ngombana inabantwana abancane.
Kunalabana babararo nakubasitsana abitsore mo batlo khona go fepa mma go bona shujwang abana asala banyana batsena school ba ilo tsentsha kuma school.
Eminye imindeni yabongazimbi akhange ifune ukukhuluma nembiki Iindaba.
Sigodliwe isahlulelo esibaweni sokusula kwamacala athweswe umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema kunye nogadi wakhe uAdrian Snyman ekhotha kamagistrata we-East London.
Amagcwetha bamangalelwa ngaye ngokuthi akunafakazi zombuso ongatsho bona isigidi ekukhulunywa ngaso la ngesamambala nokukudlala. Aragena ngokuthi akunabofakazi ekhaya basetatawini ngalelo langa abavele phambili bathi khaya basabela impilo yabo ngesikhathi isigidi nasidumuzako begodu akunamakhiwo ovike njengalo yothindekileko nakudunyuzwako.
Because on the one hand he says one thing, on the other hand he says something else. The witnesses did not say that which he attributes to them. I'll say that on the basis of that it is clear, Your Worship, that there is no case for the accused to have to come and answer.
Why I say we don't even have to deal with aspects of credibility is because there's nothing to compare. There's no witness who can say whether it's credible or not, because there is simply nobody who has come before this court, who can substantiate the claim that's name-unhanded the firearm to Mr. Malema, if indeed it is a firearm.
Umbuzo ujamile ekutheni ulethe ubufakazi obuqinileko isibawo saphikiswa.
The case is proved beyond reasonable doubt, but nothing short of that will surface. 1 + 1 = 2, plus another 1 = 3. Your worship's got the video footage, your worship's got the spent cartridge, your worship's got the actual firearm. You've observed it.
Umakastrata uTonet Olivia kulindele ukuthi akhuphe isahlulelo ngenyanga izako.
Nasibuya entolo.
Ngesiza March unyaka lona kwafika umuntu bekabe uthi uberega eGovernor Muchari yakwamhlanga. Umuntu lona he then notified us wathi umnawethu lo ngaphasi kwami was involved in a car accident.
Ulila utloka umthulisi umndeni wakwaMthembu eRithabiseni hlanu kweBronco Spruit indodana yakhona abatsho yabhubha yangcwatshwa mbuso kodwana akunamarekhodi aveza ukuthi ungcwatshwe kuphi. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele kwe-SABC 1 kanti ziyatholakala nenkundleni zokuthindana kwe-SABC 1 naku-YouTube naku-Facebook. Umndeni wakwaMthembu eRithabiseni hlanu kweBronkoro eGauteng uneminyaka emithathu solo ufuna ilwazi ngendodana yawo ekuthiwa yangcwatshwa mbuso kodwana akuveli ukuthi wangcwatshwela kuphi. Ubanele Mthembu waphuma kwabo njengomuntu aya esitolo ngomnyaka ka2020 solo agcinwa mhloko. Umbiki ndaba wethu Zanele Sibiya uyile kulomndeni wasihlanganisela nakumbiko.
Umndeni wakwaMthembu besele unethemba ngemva kokuzwelela umtlhala ngokunyamalala kukaBanele ekuthomeni komnyaka abofokisi bemapholiseni beza kilomkhaya bazowubikela ngomtlhala bawufunyeneko ngokunyamalala kwendodana yalapha ekhaya. Ngemva kweminyaka bafunana noBanele bezo ukuthi wabhubhele engozini yekoloyi endleleni iR568 ehlangana kweKangala nekwamhlanga. Umfowabo ukhumbula ilanga aphuma ngale khaya njengomuntu obuyako uBanele.
After a missing persons case was opened, azange kwaenzakala ilitho kwaphela unyaka kwaphela neminyaka up until nge6 zaka March unyaka lo. Then nge6 zaka March unyaka lona kwafika umuntu bekabe uthi uberega eGovernor Muchari yakwamhlanga. Umuntu lona he then notified us wathi umnawethu lo ngaphasi kwami was involved in a car accident and then he passed away on the scene. He was declared dead in fact on the scene.
Umma obeletha uBanele uthi ukunyamalala komntwana wakhe kuyigandelele nempilo yakhe.
Ngagula ngalala. Ngaluzi weight ngahlulwa ukuhamba. Bengahambi distance, bengahamba ngihlala phansi ngiphumula. Kwagcina nenqondo esengathi ayisathuli kahle.
Kuthe ngemva kobanyana umndeni sewuthole igama lokuthi akasekho ephasini waye emochara yombuso yakwamhlanga ukuyokufuna isidumbu sakhe. Kulapho ke bathole ukuthi batsho wangcwatshwa njengomuntu ongaziwako. Umndeni uthi inhlungu zawo zaphenduka ivalo nawuzwa ukuthi naphezulu kokuthi wangcwatshwa njalo kodwana akunamarekhodi avezako ukuthi wangcwatshelwa kuphi.
Abantu baka-Department of Health kunzima ukukhuluma nabo ngoba uthi nawukhuluma nabo ayikho into abayikhulumayo. Bona baloko babhizi bakuthumela le nale.
BakwaMthembu bathi baqashe ufokiso ozijameleko ukuthi ubasize ngecaleli ngombana awuzifumana impendulo emapholiseni kanti nomnyango wezempilo batsho usaphenya. Kukunje umndeni sewuvule icala lokwetshewa kwesidumbu emochara. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguzanele Sibiya eRithabiseni.
Lethule ngokusemthethweni namhlanje ihlelo lokuthuthukiswa kwelimi lesiNdebele emazikweni we-digital eUNISA ePitori. Ihlelo elibizwa ngeSWIP liyingxenye ehlanganisela ihlangano ethuthukisa amalimi nge-digital iSADILA, inkundla ye-digital emumatha ilwazi iWikipedia nebhodi yamalimi welizweli iPenSelb. Umbiki ndaba wethu Comfort Masumuka beka lapho.
Zonke inkhulumo ezikhambele lombuthano bezidlekana ngokuzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokuhlayela kwelimi lesindebele. Bakhuthaza namandebele nalabo abakwazi ukukhuluma isindebele ukuthi bakhuthalele ukukhuluma nokusebenzisa isindebele. Bathi ilimi elingabonwako nelingakhulunywako enkundleni zedigital esikhathini sanamhlanje lisengozini yokuchabalala. Bathi nawufuna ulwazi ngesindebele ku Wikipedia akuveli litho. Yeke-ke kuyaguguna lokho ngoba nakwenza umuntu azibuza imibuzo eminingi ngelimi lesindebele. Umengameli weWikipedia elizweni uBobby Shabangu uthi basebenza ngamandla bona isindebele singasalele emva ngombana ngilolodwa ilimi elingekho kuWikipedia emalimini asemthethweni welizweli.
Senzela ukuthi abantu abakhuluma ilanguage yesindebele baphinde ba-add i-content kuWikipedia.
IPensalt nayo ivumelana nebakwa Wikipedia.
Ngiyaqina phakathi ukuthi sisebenzisane noSadila sikwazi ukuthi ke sikwethule lokuthi ke ulimi lwesindebele nalo luze lungene luqoshwe lube lungene kwezobuchwepheshe.
Isazi sezamalimi uProfessor Langa Khumalo naye uthi kuligadango elihle ukuthi isindebele sethule enkundleni zedigital.
Umcimbi wanamhlanje ingqophamlando ukuthi siphakamise ulimi lwesindebele ukwenzela ukuthi lube nezinsiza kusebenza luhlale kusizinda seWikipedia ukuzakwenza ukuthi lube lulimi olusetshenziswayo emphakathini.
Ingwenyama yamandebele uMakhosoke wesibili uthi akubarara ukuhlayela kwesindebele enkundleni zedigital ngoba na vele isindebele sariyadiswa kwekuthomeni safakwa muva enkolweni kunawo wonke amalimi. Bewatsho nokuthi kunenge kusafanele kwenziwe iPensalt bekuthuthukiseni isindebele kodwa nolithabela igadango olithethe kweli.
Ihlelo elihle khulu ngoba lisitshengisile ukuthi ilimi lesindebele futhi sijame ngenyawo sonke njengesitshaba samandebele siliberegise nakiyo ezokuthindana siberegise ilimi lesindebele begodwa siqhugquzele nabantu bethu
balithabele nabantu abatsha abakhuluma isindebele igadangweli.
Ngizizwa ngithabe ukukhulu njengoba sithuthukisa ilimi lekhaya isindebele. Lizokhona ukuba senkundleni zokuthindana njengoba sazi ubonyana ilimi lesindebele alikho khulu enkundleni zokuthindana. Abantu bebanganalo ilwazi lokubana isikhethu sinjani. Yeke-ke ngithi mina ngikhetha isikhethu ngikhaya sikhetha isikhethu.
Ngilombuthano bekunandisa isiqhema selutsha sivela ngaphasi kwehlangano ethuthukisa ilutsha igadunga ngigadange. Iphasi lonke zombelele lifudukela ku-digital. Yeke-ke ngehlelweli kwenzelwa nokuthi ke isindebele sihlelo ukwenzela ukuthi ngomuso abantu nasele baku-digital ephasini zombelele namanye amalimi aku-digital kube naso isindebele sikhona lapho begoduke namakhompyutha ayasizwisisa isindebele ukwenzela ukuthi zonke izinto zenzeke lula begodu butshelela ngelimi lesindebele. Ngingukhamfat Masombuka wendaba ze-SABC ngikubikela ngise-Unisa ePitori eGauteng.
Izolo kube nesivunguvungu esinamandla endaweni eziningi. Aloke ekhasini lethu leFacebook namhlanje sibuze ukuthi niphephile na? Kube njani endaweni yangikhenu? Nakumona lokho uyalandela mbukeli.
Siyabona ururu leya izolo ebusuku leya hayi bekukhuphukela bekunzima ustan la ekhaya emlodola amazake bekaphapha phezulu ustan mkhashi umoya le ushaya itransform ekulu ephethe umlodo wonke yeEscom nanje iEscom ayikakabuyi sesemnyama tsu.
Mina ngendaweni yankhethu ngeMiddelburg ebusuku luguruzelile abanomoya laduma labethi imibani kwaAlternative ayisakwazi ukubamba nestage kuhle kwamele ngiyicime ngilale ngilokho nje okwenzekileko uguruzela nje komoya.
Awa thina ngapha Eastern Cape Jeffreys Bay mkhatsha zange sibe nenkinga kakhulu inkinga ibe ngomgcibelo ururu amalandle abaphezulu khulu kwahuhuleka endaweni mhlambe ezisebeduze nelwandle mara konke kuhamba kuhle awa izolo umoya zange siswenye
la ngekhethu eDalmas isiwururu sifike singasenamandla kuhle mara sona sisizwile ebusuku umkhathi hayi moya lo wabona amandla kakhulu
ngapha ke eBoxburg.
Umbono ke umbukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali iranda liqinile nalenganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje asizwe bona usibusiso Sikhosana usiphathele ziphi ehlelweni ezibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM. Sibu siyakwamkela ngapho.
Siyathokoza Cedric silotshisa nombukeli okhona ubukele kusekhaya njenganje. Indaba ezikhamba phambili umbukeli angazilindela ehlelweni ezibuya nabazumi namhlanje khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM. Uhulumende wenakale ngokubambisana nohulumende wesifunda seMpumalanga uthi wabatsho bokungenelela kabanye babomasipala lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga laba abomasipala abangasebenzi kuhle ababhalelwa ukuthi baphakele izenzelo zomphakathi emphakathini wesifunda seMpumalanga. Ngale kwalokho umphakathi wakomasipala weBushbuckridge esifundeni seMpumalanga uyalila ngendaba yamanzi uthi usela amanzi nemfuyo lezi nezinye umbukeli ngizo azozithola lapha kuKwekwezi FM ngemva kokuthi sele afundile ezifunyeziweko unokuthula Mthweni. Nje sithatha zonke indambo siziphosela kubusayi Mathebula nobujamo bezulu. Sithokozile.
Kwanamhlanje kwanele nisale kuhle.
Asikuthokoze izihlahla mbukele ekhaya lochana ke siqalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu ngemva kwemoya emkhulu yayizolo sibona ke nokho namhlanje sikubangcono lapha esifundeni sangeJingalanga Kapa izolo lindeleke nge30% livulile phakathi neSouth Africa kuthi ke ngapha esifundeni sangalenga kwaZulu Natal sibona nje sibekele ngamafu lapha eMpumalanga ukushinga kezinye indawo zeLimpopo lisalindelekile izulu ngamathuba alinganiselwa ku30%. Naku umoya makhaza uchidela lapha ke endaweni zabo Cape Town uletha izulu elingalinganiselwa nge60%. Sibekele ngamafu kuthi lapha ke endaweni zabo Phulukwane silibone lindeleke nge30% besithola lapha ukuthi liza nemjuje eduma kumbi abantu baza kutsheja bayelele. Kusasa ke godu siyabona ukuthi nesilemukisa somlilo wamahlathi esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa lapha eFreystata endaweni ezithinda lapha ke khulukhulu isifunda sange Northwest sokuchidela ukuthi uqala amazinga okuchisa sithome lapha esifundeni sange Gauteng esibonakala nje sipholile ukuya ngokufuthumela ke ngemva kwamadina lapha eJohannesburg nge29 iBronkhortspruit yachisa nePitori chise khudlwana nge32 sokuqala ukuthi kunjani esifundeni sange Limpopo lisibekele ngamafu sibonile ukuthi izulu likhona noma kunjalo sifunda sonke ngemva kwamadina siyachisa khulukhulu eliphalale nethaba zimbi nge36 siyalapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga sibona lapha embombela kunamakhefezana wezulu noma kunjalo ke kuyachisa sikhukhuza ichisa kakhulu iMiddelburg ibuya nganeno nge29 emalahleni nge30 nalapho ke kubomhlanga zaba ngakulezo ndawo lapha ke kwaZulu Natal sibona ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngemva kwamadina iPietermaritzburg yachisa nge33 Vryheid uLundi nayo kube ngcono lapha eDurban nge27 iMpumalanga Kapa sibekele ngamafenda wenezinengi sibona lapha ke ifuthumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke imbombe angithi lapha eMthatha iyachisa nge31 iWestern Cape likhamba liveza ihloko kezinye indawo iKapa silibonile